Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a Sephora slash Ulta slash Bath & Body Works slash drugstore haul. So I'm going to start with the Bath & Body Works stuff I got as gifts for my birthday. I had 4 bath bombs. I already used one. It was called Love and Sunshine. It was like yellow. It smelled really good, really fresh, lemony. It almost reminded me, the bath water looked like you just peed in the bath. It was like so straight up yellow. I used half per bath. These are like $6 or $7 each bath, so it's kind of a lot, but they're really nice. They're fizzy. This one is Warm Vanilla Sugar Bath Fizzy. Smells so good. 1,000 Wishes. This one's more purple. And that one smells good too. And then the last one is I Wish Bath Fizzy, and it's green. So I don't know what that one has, but haven't tried those 3, so I can't speak to it, but the first one I tried was really good. And then also I got this Bath & Body Works Wallflower, and this is the Citronella, I think it was, or no, Citrus, what's it called? Like the Italian lemon drink. You know what I'm talking about. It's like a lemony, kitchen lemon, and then a lemon soap, foam hand soap. If you hear any grunting, that's my daughter. She's trying to like crawl and drag herself across the floor. So, and at Ulta, I just got one thing, and this is the 2018 Birthday Kisses from Ulta Beauty. And I'm going to do a whole video on what is in this, but it is basically a juice-infused lip oil and a lip mask, cranberry and pomegranate, moisturizing gel mask infused with vitamin E. So yeah, I'm going to like actually go over what they are and all that good stuff in a separate video, but this should be the birthday gift for people who have birthdays January through March, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that was from Ulta. I just went in there and got the free gift. I have a $50 Ulta gift card. I just haven't like gone in there to like really spend money. At Sephora, I hit VIB Rouge late last year, so I did get the birthday gift, which was the 2017 for Making VIB Rouge brush. It is the Sephora brand Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush, 56.5 for Sephora VIB Rouge. I like that it's mini, so you could do like foundation with it. You could bring it for travel. It looks really good. Comes in a nice pouch, which would be nice to keep it clean in your travel bag, because like foundation brushes get so gross and like would touch all your other brushes that are just powder products. And then I also got a birthday gift from Sephora. My birthday's January 5th, in case you guys didn't know. This is the Glam Glow Hello Sexy group. This has the Super Mud Clearing Treatment and the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in the box. So there's the mud mask, and there is the moisturizer that's Nude Glow. Just little minis for that. That's the Sephora birthday gift. Also at Sephora, I have the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. This is the foundation in 4.5 wheat. It's a medium coverage, light to medium coverage with a bunch of good ingredients. This is SPF 30. It's got some skincare stuff, titanium dioxide, and it says lightweight, sheer to medium coverage, clinically tested, dermatology, blah, 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 no oil, silicone, parabens, or fragrance. So it's basically like a good everyday, like CC cream. Hello? And then I got the birthday gift from Bite Beauty. I got both because I did one in store and then I purchased online and they let me, so I got both. This is the Bite Beauty Pucker Up It's Your Birthday Kit, and this comes with 3 products, I think. Yes, 3. I'm going to go into detail in the video, but she just like grabbed my light stand. You get a mini lipstick in the shade Chai. It's their Amuse Bouche formula, and Chai is like a nudie mauve color. Perfect. Most people can wear that. And then this is their matte lip crayon in Glacé. Okay, we have a little guess. The matte lip crayon in the shade Glacé, which is also like a nudie kind of shade. And then you get a little tiny sample of the Agave Lip Balm, like a little pod. You can see it on the box there. It's just like a little single use, I think. Maybe 2 uses if you're lucky. Lip balm. So those were the 2 birthday gifts. There's a third one, and it's Bumble and Bumble, I think it's called. Hairdresser oil with some other hair product. I got some samples, perfume, Because It's You, Emporio Armani, the Lancome Drama Liquid Pencil eyeliner, and I got it in the shade Brulee, which is like the brown liquid eyeliner. Or it's like a pencil, but it kind of goes on like a liquid. A bunch of other samples that I won't go into because I've got a baby. And this was my big spendy item, the Smashbox Shape Matters palette. It's contour for brow, face, and eye. So it's got 9 eyeshadows, 2 brow powders, a brow wax, 2 contours, a highlighter, and a matte highlighter, which I can use to set my under eyes. So this was good with a big mirror for travel. It replaces like 5 products in my makeup bag. And one of the, oh, she just threw it. Are you kidding me? One of the products in the blushes is, one of the 9 eyeshadows looks like a blush. And so I can use that too to take out the blush from my makeup bag for travel. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer. And she's going to take that and put it in her mouth. I won't let her get too crazy with it, don't you worry. And then from Revlon, I've got 2 products, if I can find them, or 3. I'm not sure if I showed any of these. I may have. Sorry if I have. But the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art Lid Plus Line Plus Lash. This is the shade Peach Prism. It's like a peach creamy shade. Sorry. Peach shade for the lid and then a peachy glitter. Really pretty. I have it on my eyes today. Very fun. And they have a lot of colors. I kind of want to buy more. But also the Revlon Brow Fantasy by Colorstay in Brunette. It's got a brow pencil on one side and the brow mascara on the other. It was pretty good. I mean, not like the best, but I liked it. I feel like brunette might be like the right shade for me, but it's dark. Like, I like a lighter brow. So they're, I don't know, they're a little reddish to me maybe. And then this also, the Revlon Colorstay Skinny Liquid Liner. This is the long tipped brush. And this is in Mahogany Flame. I used it today also. I did a one brand tutorial using Revlon products, and it is shiny. So if you don't like, if you want a matte line, this is not your guy. This is a very shiny, almost metallic, but it's not meant to be metallic, liquid liner. So I didn't love that. I think that is it. I'm not sure if I showed this either. The Rimmel Scandalize Precision Micro Eyeliner. This is in black. Stay True Color, 24-hour wear, long-lasting, waterproof, smudge-proof. But yeah, it's just a black liner. And I think, oh yeah, and then I bought this. This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and I got the shade Light Ivory. I tried this once. I put it back in the box for this haul, but I did a Wet n Wild one brand tutorial. I wasn't impressed with this. It's kind of thick and drying, but yeah, cruelty-free. It's a nice, you know, cheap concealer, but I think Maybelline's are just a little bit more expensive and much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.